I've been privileged to witness Dabby's journey and growth, and I can say with utmost confidence that his love for Sibo is the most significant and beautiful chapter of his life. The love and happiness that radiates from both of you when you're together is truly heartwarming. Your journey together is just the beginning. I have no doubts that it will be filled with laughter, love, and countless unforgettable moments.
I don't want that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay.
Good, fantastic, lovely. That's Sibo.
As a sign of our marriage, with my body I honor you. All that I am, I give you, and all that I have, I share with you, within the love of God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. To be my lawful wedded wife, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish from this day forward until we are parted by death. And this is my solemn vow. Amen. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Walker.
Sibo, you are beautiful. You are beautiful inside and out, my little girl. May the light that you have on your maid never go down. I pray that wherever you go in Luxembourg and wherever you go, may your light always shine. You are so kind, you are generous, you are such a peaceful girl. You know, you could just tell even from the bond that you have with Aliyah, how much Aliyah just adores you. Yeah. I'm just so proud of you.
On behalf of our family, we wish you both a very beautiful and successful married life. We know there may be challenges, but we trust God to make everything easy for you and to show you ways of escape. Okay, you both are going to have the best of married life. We're rooting for you, and we'll be right by your side, supporting you and cheering you on to success.
Congratulations!
I raise my glass today. Please join me as we raise our glasses to Dabby and Sibo. Here's wishing them a lifetime of love, happiness, laughter, God's faithfulness, God's tenderness. To Dabby and Sibo.
I think she's spoken up to that since we met. You know, you're very beautiful. You're looking lovely sitting there today. And I feel very lucky, you know, standing before my family, Sibo's family, and our friends, you know, to say that you're my wife. And I love you so much. And as we start this life journey together, I'll stand by you all through life's journey, you know, and life's challenges. Hopefully we don't have many of those. I look forward to us building our future together, a future filled with love, laughter, happiness, success, and adventures, nothing wildlife. Ladies and gentlemen, my wife, Sibongila Wakwe.